Sorry guys. Anyways, I could just imagine like when you wake up, this one would be super hard to like brush your hair with. Like it would get super tangled up. And I already didn't really like these kind of brushes. Like, I mean, that's kind of satisfying, but I don't know. They're just really uncomfortable and they find new tangles in my hair that I didn't think I already had, and then I'm just mad about it. So I'm gonna give this one a 1 out of 10. Next up, we have the Baby Wet Brush, probably one of my smallest brushes today. Very small. Also, it has a little A on it for my name. So cute, right? This one, you know what? This one's actually pretty decent, I would say, because the size, you can like travel with it or whatever. What's that noise? Anyways, I would say 8 out of 10. It's pretty good. Next is a very different brush. It's called the Tangle Teaser. This one's like, I used to use it in like 4th grade. And I don't know, it has like sparkles, like old slime in it. That's so disgusting. Okay, I already know I'm not gonna like this one, so I'm just gonna, ooh, that kind of hurts. You know what? This one's a 0 out of 10. It's kind of disgusting. Okay, next up, another one of these. I already rated this, so I'm just gonna skip it. It's just a different color. Next, we have one of these shower brushes. I think it's mainly meant for you to use it in the shower, but since I'm doing this video, I feel like this might be nice, like in the shower, like after you brush, after conditioner or whatever. But as of now, I would give it like a 3 out of 10, just because it like scrapes your head, and I don't like that. So 3 out of 10. Next up, we have some of my other least favorite brushes. You know, I should just like get rid of some of these, but this one, I know my aunt uses these a lot, but I don't really understand why. I just somehow always stick with the wet brushes. Like, I don't know. I just like those more. You know what? I'm just going to have to say 4 out of 10 for this one. It's not too bad, but not my favorite. This one is very similar, but you know what? This one's definitely not as good. Like, it looks good, but it doesn't brush good. So I would say 2 out of 10 because it's not going to get very many tangles out. Next one, another hybrid combo brush, whatever you want to call it, where it's like the 2-in-1. So this one's usually pretty good. I do like how it feels on the back. Like, it feels pretty nice. It's like a matte color kind of. And I do like the colors on it. You know what? This one's actually brushes really nicely. I'm going to give this a 9 out of 10. Okay, 2 more left. This one, the Belle Wet Brush. This one, I do like the colors on this side. They're really pretty. You know, I use this one all the time, so I'm just going to have to give this one a 10 out of 10. Solid. Last but not least, my very old that I got for free with a J on it, Justice Brush from the Just Shine brand, which, look how, like, it's, like, so old. Like, all the paint is rubbing off. There's, like, a little chip right there. I haven't used this one in forever. I